With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that check the validity of given statement. R, a triangle is isosceles if and only if its two angles are equal. 2, using the word necessary and sufficient, rewrite the statement. A sequence is in GP if and only if each term differs from the succeeding one by a non-zero constant ratio. So here we have two questions. In the first question, we need to check the validity of the statement. In the second question, we have to rewrite the statement using the terms necessary and sufficient. So we'll start from the first question here. So in the first question, the statement given is R, a triangle is isosceles if and only if its two angles are equal. So here now this statement, we can split it into two substatements. So we'll take two substatements as P. So we'll take P statement as a triangle is isosceles, and another substatement as Q. We'll take Q as two angles are equal. So here we'll use, for validity, we'll use the method that is P implies Q and Q implies P. We have to prove that this is true in order to prove the statement is valid. So we'll make use of this triangle ABC in order to prove this. So we'll start from P implies Q. So in P implies Q, we'll assume that P statement is true. That is, we'll assume that the triangle is isosceles. So here our triangle is ABC. So if we assume triangle ABC is isosceles, then if this is true, we need to show that Q is true. That means we need to show that two angles are equal. So if triangle ABC is isosceles, we know that two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So thus we can write AB is equal to AC. So we can write AB is equal to AC since it is isosceles triangle. And we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So we can say angle B becomes equal to angle C. So from this we can write, therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. The reason is opposite angles to equal sides are equal. Thus, from this we can see that Q is true. So we have proved that P implies Q is, this is true. Now we'll go on to Q implies P. So Q implies P. So in this now, we'll take Q as the assumption. Assume Q is true and we need to show P is true. So here now we'll prove this in triangle ABC. We'll assume, so Q statement is that two angles are equal. So we'll assume that angle B is equal to angle C. This is an assumption. So when two angles are equal, the sides opposite to equal angles will be equal. So AB will become equal to AC. So we can write, therefore, AB is equal to AC. Sides opposite to equal angles. So when two sides of a triangle are equal, we can say, therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle since two sides are equal. So thus from this we have proved that Q implies P is true. So now we have proved that P implies Q and Q implies P both is true. Thus we can say therefore statement R is valid. So this question is complete. Now we'll move on to the second part of the question. So we have to rewrite this statement using necessary and sufficient term. So we'll rewrite it. So when we rewrite, the answer will be necessary and sufficient condition for a sequence to be GP is that each term differs from succeeding one by a non-zero constant ratio. So thus these are the answers. So we can conclude, therefore the statement 1 is valid and statement 2 has been rewritten using necessary and sufficient. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.